Hello everyone, today is the second course of Piktochart. Before we start, make sure that you've already watched Piktochart Course 1. Then, open the website of Piktochart and log into your account. Don't forget to use the same account as the one you used while practicing what we taught in Course 1. Now let's start. Open your project first. You can see your project on your dashboard. Move the cursor to your project and click Edit. And now we're going to introduce some basic features. First, you can see that there are two buttons. The left one is the Undo button, and the right one is the Redo button. On the top of the interface shows the status of your project. Always remember to check if your project is saved. Now take a look at these buttons. The button with a plus on it is the button to add block. The one with a number on it shows which block you are at now. The button here is the button to clone the block. And the button with an X is the delete button. Now let's take a look at the left side of the interface. There are many tabs. We'll introduce from the first one. First tab is Graphics. Click Graphics, and features are listed here. First, click Shapes and Icons. You can click Search bar and type anything you want to find and press Enter. For example, if I want to find an icon of shrimp, just type shrimp. Or you can choose from categories. To choose from categories, click here, and you will see a list of different categories. Again, we want to find an icon of a shrimp, so click the category Animals. Move your cursor to the icon you want and click. Now you have a shrimp. How to adjust the size of the icon? Click the icon first. Move your cursor to where the arrows point to. Your cursor turns into this. Now, press Shift and hold. Then click, hold, and drag to zoom in or zoom out the icon. If you right-click the icon, you can click corresponding button to cut, copy, paste, or delete. The methods to insert illustrations, lines, and photos are similar to the method we mentioned before about inserting icons. Try them yourself. The next tab is Photo Frame. Before inserting a photo frame, add a block first. Click plus to add a new block. Now you can see a new block appears. On the left, you can see a number 2, which means the second block. Now let's insert a photo frame. Click on the second block first, and click Photo Frame. Choose and click a photo frame you like. The photo frame appears. However, part of the photo frame is on block 1, so we have to move it downward. Click and drag the photo frame downward. Now we're going to insert a photo. Click Photo Frame again to close the tab Photo Frame. Then click Photos. Choose a photo you like and move your cursor to it. Click, hold, and drag the photo into the photo frame, and release mouse button. Take a look at this video that shows the steps we mentioned. Click, Hold and drag the photo into photo frame and release mouse button. Click outside the photo frame. Now your photo frame is finished. Alright, you finished today's class. Hope you like it. If you have any questions, comment below. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe us. See you next time.